Hey there, welcome back to my channel where art is a passion and craft is your everyday life. In today's video, I will be doing a wine glass tutorial. So this is a different design that I'll be working on today, and we will be using some vinyl to attach to the glass for the finished product. All right, so I'll be using some black glitter and my trusted mud podge. So this is the gloss mud podge. I'll be using it throughout the project, and I'll also use it to seal my wine glass, the glitter at the end. All right, so let's get into it. So if you're familiar with this process, we will be using some mud podge to apply the glitter, and for the purpose today, I will only be doing the stem of the wine glass, just the bottom, and we won't be needing like a whole lot of mud podge. I have already gone ahead to clean my wine glass with some alcohol. So we're just gonna go ahead and apply the mud podge. So as I mentioned before, we're just doing the stem of the glass today and the bottom area. So just gonna seal off this section and go all the way down. So remember, mud podge dries quickly, so you wanna work as fast as you can. In my other videos, I would have done the bottom of the wine glass, but this time around, I'm not going to go all the way to the base, like the bottom where the glass sits. I'm just going to do the top section. All right. So here we go. And I think we have all areas covered. If we have any little spots that we missed, we can catch that when we're doing the second coat of glitter application. All right, so I'm just going to apply my black glitter. And don't mind that this is falling all over the place. You know, I'll be able to scoop it up and put it back together. I think this is coming out slower than I want it to, so I'm just gonna remove the top. Alrighty. Yes, this is much better. So I'm really able to pour it in and get it in all the little places. And like I said, whatever we missed this time, we will pretty much just catch it up when we're doing the second coat of glitter. All right. I think this is going to be so pretty. Okay. Oh, I missed a spot. See, the mud podge was already drying, so we will have to make sure that we cover that area properly on the second coat. Okay. All right, so I'm going to leave this to dry for about 2 hours, and I'm going to come back and apply the second coat of glitter. All right, see you in a few. Okay, and we're back. So we're going to go ahead and do our second application of glitter. And if you made it this far in my video, please remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos, okay? All right, here we go. We're just gonna apply some mud podge over that area that we did the glitter before. All right, and making sure that we you know, get all those spots that we missed the first time. And this is like a finer glitter, but it's not like super fine. So you realize that the Mod Podge needs to get down into that first layer. Really needs to get down in it. All right. And I'm using paper plates because it's easier for cleaning up. And it's less messy. All right, so remember we need to work a little bit fast with the Mod Podge. Make sure we're catching all those areas. And I think for this project, I only need 2 layers of glitter application because it's a pretty thick glitter, so you don't have to do too much. All right. We're just getting all the edges. All right, we're good to go. So let's go ahead and apply some glitter. I'm gonna set this to the side. And make sure I had my glitter open this time around. And I'm just gonna pour it on, pour it on, pour it on. And I make sure that the stem is properly covered. So here's what I'm going to do. With my paper plate, I'm just going to pour this glitter back into the container, so it's easier for me to do it. It's quicker, much quicker. All right. So we can finish the base. Right, I think that is good. So we're just going to shake off any excess glitter. And if you notice any little white spaces, you could just try to add some glitter to close it. So if any Mod Podge is showing, you could just go ahead and add more glitter to close the area. Okay. All right, so the final step is going to be applying Mod Podge to seal the wine glass. So we're gonna allow this to sit for, say, another 2 hours. And with that time frame, we should be able to then seal our wine glass with Mod Podge. I will be using 2 applications of Mod Podge to seal the wine glass, and I will come back. All right. Okay, so we're back with the 2 coats of Mod Podge. It's still going through the drying phase because the Mod Podge does take some time to dry. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to apply that vinyl sticker that I had earlier to the wine glass. And before I do that, I am going to get some alcohol and clean the surface. So I'm removing all fingerprints from the glass so I can apply without residues. Okay. So let me lay this down on the paper towel, and we're applying the sticker. So I think I want it to sit just about there. There we go. So you have to be super careful when you are applying your vinyl to a round surface. So we're just getting this on. It can be tricky sometimes when you're applying vinyl to a curved surface, so just take your time and get the letters to sit properly. All right. I might need to make a small, so I'm just using my weeding tool to just lift the vinyl a little bit, and I'm smoothing it below. All right, there we go. I think everything should be nicely sticking to the glass at this point. So let's go ahead and remove our transfer paper. Nice. Okay, beautiful. All right, so we applied the vinyl design, and I am going to be doing a little bit of testing with the heat gun, and we're going to be applying some rhinestones, just a little spots on this glass. Okay, let's see how that will hold up. And remember, it wasn't recommended to use the heat gun on glass, but we're going against the grid today. It's holding on just fine. So we're just doing a little bit of a bedazzle on this design. So remember, you don't want this to touch your vinyl. So be super careful with that. And it just needs a few seconds on there, and it will heat it right up. Okay. So I'm just adding a few more stones. Right, so you just need to hold it long enough for the stones to be heated and the glue to be activated. All right, and let's see, we can add one, maybe right over here. And I'm just placing them, you know, randomly on the glass. There's really no real technique to this. I'm just putting stones on. And if you like my video today, you can leave me a comment below and let me know what your thoughts are. And you could go ahead and share it with your friends, you know, so you could teach someone else, you know, something that you are learning. All right, I need to lay this down a little bit more. Here we go. All right. That one was just coming out of place a little bit. Okay, so let's just pop one more. Right about here. So as you notice, I'm not holding this on the glass too long. I just want to heat the adhesive that is below, but they are firmly on, so you don't have to worry about them falling off. And I don't think I'm going to overdo it with, you know, the rhinestones. I just wanted to add a little pop to it. All right, so let me know what you think about this design. I'm definitely going to clean it up a little bit more, you know, when the Mod Podge is fully dried. And yeah, so this is it. I think I'm not going to overdo it. This is it. All right, so let me know what you think in the comments below. And thanks so much for sticking with me to the end. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. I will be doing a quick video on the acrylic, the acrylic paint that can be used on ceramic and glass. Okay, so look out for that video next. Bye.